We're gonna go try out this new restaurant. Called Moi. Let's go see what they have today. Got the right condiments, shrimp paste, and then what is this?
Peppers.
Oh, that's a real. Looks like real pepper sauce. That's fresh peppers crushed up to make the sauce. See what we got here.
This is the salty lemon.
This is salty lemon.
Yeah.
Oh, salty lime.
Yeah, salty lime.
Got a lime on top there.
With the plum, dry plum.
Oh, with the dried plum in there. Why does it taste like a fart? Yeah, it's kind of like the lime lemon thingy, but it kind of tastes a little bit like a fart because it's got the plum at the plum. It's dried plum.
Yeah, dry plum.
Yeah.
It's salty, sour.
Salty, sour, and it's a little bit of in it. It's an acquired taste.
Thank you.
Oh, you gotta get the rice on this side because I'm Asian. And then the tofu. Tofu looks pretty freaking good. Try one.
Yeah, try it.
I'm Asian. I'm gonna have a curried
Okay,
tofu.
A
A little bit of that.
Oh, the real one. Sorry, the real one.
Put the real one. Put a touch of shrimp paste in there.
No, it's already salty.
It is. Let's give it a try first. Try it and see. Let me try. You want me to try?
Yeah, you try.
Good. Is it good?
Yeah. Very good. All the things that you need to.
Oh, you got the bun way. Oh, yeah, they got the blood sausage. Where's the blood sausage?
No, the blood cube. I'm sorry, blood cube.
Oh, the big cubes, and then you got the.
Yeah, the blood cube. Right there.
Oh yeah, look at that. That looks really good. Smells delicious. That fake meat.
Ham. It's not fake. Don't say that.
I don't like it that one. Anyway, everybody likes it except me. And that's what I'm talking about right there. That looks really, really delicious. A big old piece of pork. Goodness. Wait, what we got here? The bun rio. The bun rio has crab in it.
They have tofu.
Tofu.
Blood cube.
Or a big old piece of pork going on there.
It's like good, yummy.
That looks delicious. And look at that, I like the small noodles.
Yeah.
You gotta check the unami, check and see how that goes down.
This is how you eat it. You put all this in.
You gotta see how you put it in. So it didn't taste it yet, but you put a little bit more pepper.
Yeah, more peppers.
Oh, it's more spicy.
A little bit of this.
Oh, the shrimp, yeah, put a little bit of the shrimp paste in there.
Yeah.
Mix that all up. Oh, yeah. Put some veggies. And squeeze it in. Dang, you got that good. A little bit of lime helps, like, balance it out.
Yeah, yummy.
Let's see how it tastes.
Let me taste it.
Is it good?
My mom cooking.
I like mommy's cooking. Let's see. That's excellent. So let's see how this one is for me. I didn't get a spoon. Let's see. I get it straight up first. Oh damn, that's good. That's really good. That one hits the spot. Broth. Damn. Yeah, that broth is perfect. All right, so look, see the operation behind here? somebody's auntie's fixing the food and she's bossing people around. That's the way it's supposed to be.